Hi, I'm back again on the day 4 of 30 days informative series. Question of the day is, can fitness be a hobby? Absolutely it can be. And I say कि इसे एक हॉबी की तरह स्टार्ट करो. Don't expect a lot in your initial days. प्रॉब्लम वही होता है कि हम एक दो वीक गए नहीं और we are expecting a lot of results. So try to be consistent first and just be with the mindset कि I want to be the better than the yesterday. That's all. So stay consistent, then you will see the results. Thank you. See you next time.